Don't start talking across the courtroom, man. I enjoy having you here. You're a nice lady. You're going to be a very good lawyer someday. You can't do this. How long do you need? I'm not keeping this case around here a lot longer, ladies and gentlemen. This case is who's raising their hand back here? Hey, no. Who is that?
That's the complainant, Your Honor. Shows.
Good afternoon. Go on the record. People against Andrew Stephen Siak, 25T7174451. Appearances, everybody.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Nora Holloway on behalf of the people, fee 86528.
Mayor, please to sound the court on birthday with P592229 representing Andrew Stevens, and
Your name, sir?
Andrew Stevens, aye.
All right, today is the date scheduled for trial.
Yes, Your Honor.
You ready to proceed?
Your Honor, I did email the court. I emailed Lisa. I found out after I
When?
Today at around 9 or 10 a.m.
Not in today.
Yeah, I learned that after I also talked to Ms. Tucker Davis. So today was the arraignment for Brianna Pett, who's a co-defendant in this case. And with her came her friend Dakota Austin, who I spoke to and is apparently a necessary witness to this case. I had her go to Trenton Police Department to make a statement. And we will be sending over that video to Ms. Tucker Davis as soon as it's uploaded. So I did ask for an adjournment based off of the new information that I received literally today. I had no idea about this witness. She said that she was there, she was present at this incident on June 22nd, 2025.
Brianna Pett was arraigned today
Yes,
in front of Judge Hessen.
yes. On both days.
And so then what? How was the witness, was this other individual, this witness on this case with Ms. Pett? Well, had nobody contacted her before?
This witness,
Yeah.
I did not even know she existed.
Was she in the police report?
No, Your Honor. I spoke to her, she was present during the incident prior to.
Why didn't you just bring her in here today?
She went to Trenton Police Department to make a statement.
This case has been going on since June, the offense date was June 22nd.
I'm worried about.
October 14th, the defendant was arraigned. I mean, we're talking 4 months here. I had a preliminary exam, I threw out the felony, and then I said, I mean, what, first of all, no disrespect intended, but getting you and Ms. Tucker together, honestly, is difficult. Your office is difficult. You don't have enough days, and I set aside these days, and now you're coming in here and asking me for an adjournment at the last minute. Did the police, you mean the police took reports? They interviewed the defendant, I presume. I don't remember. I don't look at police reports until there's a conviction, but they had to interview the victim. The victim never told the police that this other witness was there.
I've spoken to the complainant again. I'm just gonna double check this report. I had never heard this person's name. So. Just double check if that is something.
Remind me, when the police arrived that date of the incident, was anybody else present in the home besides the defendant?
They arrived. It says that the complainant and Andrew Syak were present.
The complainant and what?
And Andrew Syak were present. The defendant.
The complainant never told anybody about this witness? I mean, it had just happened, presumably, to the extent anything happened. She wouldn't mention that somebody else was in the residence and a witness of all of this?
This other witness's name is not in this report.
Where's the detective? You didn't call them off, did you? You can't do that. You can't do that. You cannot do that.
I spoke to the court officer and I emailed the court. I thought it had already been adjourned. It was my mistake.
I asked my court officer to come ask you if it was going or not. And he came back with that you were going to ask for an adjournment, something about a witness. You can't tell people to go ahead and leave if the court hasn't adjourned the case.
My mistake. I misunderstood, brother.
I enjoy having you here. You're a nice lady. You're going to be a very good lawyer someday. You can't do this. How long do you need? I'm not keeping this case around here a lot longer, ladies and gentlemen. This case is who's raising their hand back here? Hey, no. Who is that?
That's the complainant, Your Honor. Shelley's agent.
What's she raising her hand for? Go find out why she's raised. Don't start talking across the courtroom, man. Go talk to the complainant, see why she's raising her hand. I'm a judge, not a teacher.
So.
Go talk to the complainant and see why she was raising her hand.
She just wanted to make sure, the officer said to make sure that the judge knew she was here. She just wanted to make sure she was here. In terms of an adjournment, again, we have what I believe the statement should be completed by now, and the video should be being uploaded soon.
Well, maybe if somebody would have talked to her and asked the right questions, that people would have known this, and maybe, just maybe, it would have helped out your felony count. I don't know that it would have or not. What is your position?
My position is that I have not seen, but just know in the last couple hours that this witness exists, according to the prosecutor, and it would be unfair to the CF to proceed and even question the complaint without knowing other circumstances of his day.
I don't disagree with that. I don't know why you're not entitled to a dismissal, though.
I would think they're going to prepare to proceed today.
Yeah, that walk on Jim. Can't have it all again.
Or if she's not here, Amy. Holloway,
Yes.
please don't ever assume I'm going to do something that you're asking me to do, whether it's for an adjournment or anything else, okay?
I understand.
I mean, I agree that I would not have allowed this to go forth if they wanted to call this witness without you having copy of a video or a statement. I just can't understand why, when the complainant was there and the defendant was there, that it wouldn't have come out, especially through the complainant, that there was a witness there. Heather, I need a
Yes.
date in a couple weeks, and I'm not going to be patient about us delaying this much longer. What do I have in terms of a Tuesday?
Okay, which case is this for, Judge?
This is on SEAC, the trial this afternoon, then I rushed back
Okay.
for.
All right, so a couple weeks out on a Tuesday. You are off on the 10th, so that would put us to the 17th next. Let's
Is
see.
there any reason why anybody can't do this on March 17th?
That works for me, Your Honor.
That works for me also.
So, let's see. Does look like you have an afternoon civil docket on the 17th, though.
Nice. Well, I'll have to get through it. We're starting promptly at 1 p.m. Just tell Jennifer that's what I'm doing. Prosecutor to produce video of witness, what's her last name?
Austin.
Of witness Austin's video to defense by 2/27. Case will go March 17th at 1 p.m. Remember, also you have to get acquiescence. There has to be a stip in order. And then I've got to approve it, okay? That's all I'll say about it. Have a good day. We'll see everybody on the 17th at 1. You're going to get her the video by
In this courtroom, the judge carefully listened to every detail before reaching a decision. The court showed patience, fairness, and respect for both sides, while ensuring that accountability remained at the center of justice. The judge's words reflected the importance of responsibility, self-control, and respect for others. Rather than acting on emotion, the court relied on facts, evidence, and the rule of law. This case serves as a reminder that justice is not only about punishment, but also about protecting victims, encouraging accountability, and maintaining public trust. The courtroom once again demonstrated why fairness and law matter in society.
In this intense courtroom moment, the judge reaches the end of his patience as a defendant continues delaying a simple decision. The court offers options and even a payment plan, but the defendant refuses to make a choice. Frustrated by the constant back and forth, the judge makes it clear that the courtroom cannot stop for endless indecision. With a firm voice, he delivers a powerful warning. Make a decision now or move on. The message is simple. Courts deal with facts, choices, and accountability, not excuses or delays. It's a dramatic reminder that justice moves forward, with or without your cooperation.